Hey there, Roger Burnley, vocal coach here. Now, I've been coaching for more than 25 years, giving my clients exercises to use to develop every aspect of their voice. On this one, what I'm going to give you is how to start to develop your head voice a little bit more. Now, we experience our sound in what we call our chest voice, then this middle voice, and more of the head voice. It's just the lower range, the mid range, and then the higher range. What I'm always trying to get my clients to do is to be able to mix all of these together, because when you're doing that, you're basically using your body a lot more correctly. So I'm just going to give you a little idea of how I'm going to do an exercise where I go into my head voice. I'll point that out to you so you can see where that starts to happen. Now, I'm not pushing into it. I'm just letting it happen because I'm allowing the vocal cords to make adjustments to bring that head voice in. And that's what I want you to think about. You're bringing the head voice in. So I'm going to do this demonstration for you. More of my head voice now. I'm bringing it down to me. So what I wanted you to see is that I never got to a place where I started to push to get up there. I was just allowing that to happen very easily. That's what I want you to do. Just think of it that you're just bringing your head voice down to you. And over time, you're going to develop a real strong head voice, or that upper range in your voice as well. Practice for a while. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did and you'd like a free singing workout that's going to give your voice more vocal range, better tone, and much more freedom, then click this button right here. And I'll take you to a page where you can get your copy emailed to you for free. If you're on your mobile device, you might not be able to click the button. So instead, click the link in the description to get the free workout. And as always, like, comment, let me know if there's any questions you have or anything you'd like to see in these videos. And don't forget to subscribe to Singing Made Simple, as there are a lot more videos on the way.